my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing another Tribe beauty box. First, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm glad you decided to come and hang out with me for a little while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Before we get into the unboxing, for those who haven't seen my recent videos, I do want to address the pirate in the room. No, I'm not taking Halloween a little too far. I'm having a little trouble with my eye, and right now it's just not very pretty. So hence the eye patch. I'm seeing a specialist next week, so hopefully he will give me an idea of how long to expect this to go on. But I wanted to continue to do videos and to share my unboxings, and I've got some hauls and things coming up. And I wanted to go ahead and film because I don't know, this could unfortunately go on for a few weeks, maybe longer. Honestly, I don't know. So until I see the specialist, this is my only option other than doing just voiceover videos where I only show you the products and things. So I thought this would be better. If you don't agree, if you'd rather I didn't do the patch, let me know, in which case I will do just voiceover videos and show you products without my smiling face. But anyway, the Tribe Beauty Box. I unboxed my first Tribe Beauty Box this week, and it was the October box. Tribe Beauty is a bi-monthly subscription box. It's full-size makeup products from indie and female-owned brands, and it's $34.99 a box. And they promise you 5 or more new amazing makeup products worth over $125 in each box. They say you can expect, although I don't believe it's a guarantee, but they say that they try to give you one face product, one skin prep product, an eye product, a lip product, and a tool in each box. When I subscribed in October, they offered me at the time, they said, if you'd like, we still have the August 2020 box, so you can get that one as well. And I said, go ahead and send it to me, because I took a look at it and I saw what the eyeshadow palette possibilities were, and I said, okay, let's go ahead and try it out. So this is actually the August 2020 box, although it is still available, or at least it was as of the day I filmed this, which is Friday the 6th it was still available. So I'm not sure when this one will go up, but you can double check. They are still shipping the October box, but like I said, when I ordered this last week or the week before, they did still have the August one available as well. So I got that one too, so let's check it out. They do give you in each one, they call it a beauty box, but it comes in a bag, and there isn't a box in here. It is, some of the stuff is in bubble wrap, but some of it's loose, so I'm just going to leave it in there for now. You do get a card with a theme, and this month's, or August's theme was Italian Summers, and it does give you a list of all products that people are going to get. In some cases there are alternate products, and they do mark it as with an asterisk, so you know that it's one or the other. And then there are some products that everyone gets. So I like the fact that they tell you everything that could possibly have been in your box. They don't have as many variations as like a BoxyCharm or an Ipsy, so I guess it's easier, but it's nice to say, oh well, okay, I got this. The other option would have been that, just to see what, so you know that you're not getting a really lousy variation compared to other people that, you know, sometimes you see unboxings of some of the other boxes and you're like, wow, that person got really great stuff, and I got, you know, boring, you know, things that didn't excite me. So this is nice. You get to see what everybody would have gotten. So let's take a look and see what we've got in here. Okay, so our first product is our eyeshadow palette, and it's from NOMAD Cosmetics, and this is their Lago di Como, or Lake Como palette, and that's the packaging. It's so pretty. And they say this is a velvety, soft, and blendable eyeshadow formulated with extra fine pigments. There are 9 fresh, rich shades inspired by living La Dolce Vita at Lake Como in the summertime. Sounds good to me. 5 mattes and 4 soft shimmer finishes. infused with organic grapeseed oil for vibrant, long-wearing color. It is cruelty-free and vegan. And here is the inside packaging. Again, really gorgeous. And just says Intense Eyeshadow Palette Lake Como on the back. And inside there is a sheet of plastic and there is a mirror. So I'm going to fold that down. Here are the colors. Really gorgeous, very vibrant. I know greens, greens have really been in lately. But they're gorgeous. The blue, unfortunately this blue down in the corner here is a little bit broken, but not much. I'm not going to worry too much about it. It's flicking, as you can see, it's on my fingers a little bit. So let me see if I have yes, I do have a paper towel over here that I can rub that on. It was actually on the plastic, if you can see. I don't know if you can see that. But it's not a lot. So if you see there, it's not like it's really broken. It's just a little kick up from it. These shades are gorgeous. Like that navy, that really dark blue is a shimmer. The greens, they got some gorgeous shades. So, I don't know that it's really me, but it was just so pretty. I was like, I need to see it in person. Whether it's something I'm going to keep or pass on, we'll just, we'll see. I have more eyeshadow palettes right now that I have backed up that I haven't tried yet, so it's really awful. But, like a lot of people, I'm not wearing a lot of makeup these days, and right now, with this going on, I'm wearing even less. So, but just absolutely gorgeous. And the retail on this is $27. This is one of the products that was an alternate. So some people got this, and some people got Glamlight Cosmetics Caliente Palette, which retailed for $38. But really not unhappy about this at all. Even if it's not my colors, it's absolutely gorgeous, and somebody's going to love it. So our next product, well, it's supposed to be from Jabonniera Marianella, brand I've never heard of, but in Oak Moss and Coconut Body Shimmering Oil, retails for $36. But I didn't get that. I got from GERARD Cosmetics the BB Plus Illumination Facial Cream. You can see that. This is a multitasker. See, the product's golden undertone adds dimension and a youthful glow to any complexion, is completely customizable to your lifestyle. Apply directly to clean skin over or under foundation or moisturizer. So it can be used as a cream highlighter, it can be used as a primer, or it can be mixed with foundation or moisturizer. There were 4 shades available in this. There is Brigitte, which is pink, Dorothy, which is bronze, Grace, which is pearl, and Sophia, which is gold. And we got the shade Sophia, which is the gold. Retail on this is $36. I don't know if I would keep this, only because golds don't tend to do well on my skin. Although, again, as I talked about in another video this week, I've been wanting to try things from GERARD Cosmetics, and I haven't had a chance until now, so I'm kind of disappointed. If this had been the pearl or even the pink, I probably would have really tried it, but because my skin has such pink undertones, things that are gold tend to look really yellow on me, and that's not a look I prefer. I'm not going to say you can't do it, because there are no rules in makeup as far as I'm concerned, but like, for example, to give you an idea, this is a nail polish that I got in a subscription box that I've seen a lot of other people wear, and even in the pictures it looks like a very pale mauve, but yet on me it looks tan. This is the, where is it? This is from Static Nails. This is the Irene that we got in another subscription box. This is to everybody else. On everybody else this seems to look pink. On me it's taupe. So it's just my skin tone. So again, unfortunately I think this one I'm going to pass on just because of the shade, but if you've tried things from GERARD Cosmetics that I should be trying, let me know, because I'd like to try them out, because I hear great things about the brand. Okay, our next product, and this is when it's like, oh, the people that got the Minnie's down here, so if you see me doing this, it's because she's nosing up to see what's going on and to see if I have any treats. Because she opened her first mystery box earlier tonight, and she got treats when she did it, so now she thinks every mystery box is for her. But anyway, you may see me flashing these around. Our next is from LUXIE Beauty, and we all know I love my brushes. So we've got 2 brushes, and they are stuck together. They're calling it the LUXIE Small Duo, but it includes the 516 Duo Fiber Powder Brush. Okay, sweetheart, which is this one. I'll unstick these. And the 660 Duo Fiber Precision Foundation Brush. So the powder brush is a soft duo fiber brush to apply powder products with a diffused look, or to build up cream and liquid products for a bolder finish. And the foundation brush is ideal for applying liquid and cream foundations for a streak-free medium coverage finish. The powder brush retails for $25. The foundation brush for $23, so together this is $48 product. Okay, our next item is from Wander Beauty. This is the Double Date Lip and Cheek. This is a multitasking duo featuring sheer tint and clear shimmer-free balm for moisturized lips, eyes, and cheeks. It's a double-tiered compact with a built-in mirror. It's perfect for staying gorgeous on the go. There are 2 varieties or 2 combinations of this. Both of them have this shade Swipe, which is the clear, and then the other 2 are Sweet Talker, which is coral, and Rendezvous, which is pink. And I already have Rendezvous, and that's what this one is. So I'm not going to open this because it will be going in a giveaway. Hang on, let me get mine. Okay, I'm back with mine, and this is the Wander Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek. And there's a mirror down here, and then there's the clear down here, which is Swipe, and then this is the shade Rendezvous, which is the lip and cheek tint. So that's the same shade as what's in here. So rather than opening this to show you, I want to show you the one on here because I will be putting this one in a giveaway. Retail on this is $22. I love a good multitasker, especially when you're having one of those no makeup days and you just want a little something that you can throw in your purse and touch up as you need to or whatever. Great product. It's one of the few things from Wander Beauty I've actually tried. Really love it. Again, $22. Okay, our last product is from COSRX, and it is the Acne Pimple Master Patch. Here, this is designed to cover breakouts while you sleep. The COSRX Acne Pimple Master Patches are waterproof spot patches that protect blemishes from bacteria and absorb impurities overnight while encouraging healthy skin hydration. One patch can significantly reduce the appearance of an unwanted blemish so you wake up with happier skin. And this is a pack of 24 patches. Retails for $6. So that's it. That's the Try Beauty box for August. We got the COSRX Acne Patches, the Wander Beauty Lip and Cheek Duo, the LUXIE brushes, the GERARD Cosmetics BB Cream, and the NOMAD Cosmetics Lake Como Palette. The subscription promises at least $125 for $34.99. I got a retail value of $139. Again, $34.99. Just the 2 brushes alone was $48. And even if this is the only thing I'm keeping, I'm still not unhappy because, you know, I love my brushes and this is more than the price of the box. The other variation, if I've gotten the other eyeshadow palette, would have been $150. But in either case, I'm not unhappy. So leave any comments down in the comment section. Let me know if you've tried the Try Beauty box and what you think of what I got. Also, if there's anything from GERARD Cosmetics I should be trying, let me know about that too. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.